Students, let us learn how to prepare a stained temporary mount of onion peel. The materials required for this activity are a small sized or medium sized onion, glass slide, cover slip, a watch glass, forceps, knife, needle, distilled water, glycerine, dropper, blotting paper, saffron in solution or any other staining solution, like we can have methylene blue also, and a compound microscope along with brush. The procedure includes the following steps. Take a medium-sized onion and cut it laterally into 4 to 5 pieces with the help of a knife. Then you have to remove a scale leaf from any one of the pieces. Break the scale leaf gently as shown in the video and peel a small portion from the delicate epidermis, that is the covering. Do it from the inner side of the onion peel. Remove the delicate epidermal peel with the help of forceps and place it in a watch glass containing water. Take another watch glass and place in it 3 to 4 drops of any staining solution, like here we are taking saffron in solution. Now with the help of brush, transfer the peel in water with saffron in solution for staining near about 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, what do we observe? We have to transfer the peel back to the watch glass containing water just to remove the excess staining. Now take a clean glass slide and pour 1 to 2 drops of glycerine over it, and then transfer the stained peel on the drops of glycerine on the slide with the help of a brush. Do it very carefully, and the peel may lead to slight curling. You have to avoid it. Place the cover slip on the slide in such a way that there are no air bubbles. You have to prevent entry of air bubbles. Gently place the cover slip with the needle to spread glycerine and the peel in an even way. With the help of blotting paper, remove the excess material surrounding the slide to make it clean. Examine the slide under a compound microscope. You will see the structure like this shown in the circle. Some hexagonal structures. This outer covering is cell wall and the inner lining is cell membrane, and the darkly stained circular part is nucleus. And there is cytoplasm enclosed within the cell membrane. Dear students, this is the kind of a plant cell. All the plant cells are composed of such cells. Hope you have watched it. Thanks for watching.